Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Tuesday the 9th of January 2024. This is your Bitcoin update. I will keep it fairly brief because as we're getting so close to the inevitable Bitcoin approval or rejection tomorrow, it's one of those things where can you really trade this that technically when we are very, very likely going to see either a God candle or a complete nuke within the next 24 hours or so. It's a difficult one, right? But I can give a brief update anyway. What we have seen today is very, very similar to what happened on the 2nd of January, okay? We had a break up from what was a point of control. This was down here previously. A break higher to take out range highs, consolidation within a couple of percent above. So not yet any like major continuation. It's just been very similar to what we had at the beginning of January here. Now, if we are holding above here, then yes, that leads to the chance of moving to higher targets with that 48,222 2022 yearly high being the next major target on this. Now, of course, if we get an ETF approval, we're probably just going to blast straight through it, go above 50k anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And yeah, in the other instance, if we do something similar where you have this test, you make a lower high, you can't get back above a key level. In this instance, it would be something along the lines of breaking back down into this range, losing that yearly. Then, of course, we can be expecting a move to the downside on here. There's been quite a lot of open interest that has built up. There was a decent short squeeze that we had when we got this move here, but also there's quite a lot of long positions within this range. So as we got this move, we had a big increase in open interest, and then we got that continuation higher. We do see that open interest is continuing to move up, and it is on negative delta right now, which can lead you to believe that price is going to continue higher, but we have seen that in the past. What we have as a slight difference this time is, first of all, if we just pop over to here, because this is the more important information, funding rates have cooled down. Okay, so when we had that previous breakout that was within this range, the funding rates were extremely high. It was the beginning of the year. They've now cooled off somewhat. We have open interest back to the level that we were at previously, but once again, on this occasion, we are seeing that, first of all, the move that we had was relatively healthy, spot driven, and we are since seeing some of these bullish CVD divergences starting to play out here within this range. The only concerning thing again is, once again, like we do have quite a lot of selling on spot here, and it is perps that is managing to hold the price, but trend has continued to be up for quite some time. Is the ETF priced in? Is it not? What's going to happen? We just have to wait and see. But for me, it's just a case of, yeah, scalping small trades, yeah, in between certain levels that we can find here. If we look at the liquidation heat map, not a lot here, but we do have a big cluster down at 44,600. So if price does come down, take out 44,600, it could be reasonable to expect a bit of a bounce there. That lines up with basically, well, that's right here below these lows. Okay. However, I am going to probably just end this here because, like I say, 24 hours away from ETF is likely that whatever the news is, we get a 10 to 15% candle in like literally the space of minutes. When that happens, order books are going to be emptied across all exchanges. I would be very surprised if market makers continue to pile into the order books, and if open interest continues to just go wild. Up until that point, when there is actual news, it's very likely that we see a big move, and yeah, it would just be nice when it's over and done with, to be honest. In other news, I am starting a 2024 24x challenge account. So I will be sharing all of those trades on live streams and during trading rooms. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to be trading all of those on WooX. So if anyone wants to trade alongside on WooX, then you can sign up using scan QR code here. it'll give you a 50-50% share of the fee rebates, and also up to $1,000 of bonuses depending on how much volume you trade. For every $1 million of volume, you get $100 of free money. And $1 million of volume is quite easy to rack up when you are trading futures positions. So yeah, if you want to sign up with that link, then feel free to do so. And yeah, I think on that note, I will call it there. I'll see you on the next live stream video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Do all of those things. Yeah, see you soon. Bye-bye.